A few years ago, I did a really big explosives recording session at an ex-RAF base here in the UK. The base was quite impressive. It was during World War II used to store nuclear weapons, and still to this day, ordnance is stored there, as well as many other things. I think they also do film and television stuff there sometimes. We were recording on a field at the back of the base. We set up a whole bunch of different microphones, all of your classic choices, Neumanns, Schoeps. We had two of the Crown SAS, which is my favorite microphone, Sennheiser, AKG, DPA, all that good stuff, and a whole bunch of different handhelds as well, all placed at various different distances to capture these epic explosions. As you can hear, they've got a really unique sound. They have this strange whistly squeak thing going on. We did a bunch of cool stuff. We buried some C4 onto the ground. We did a classic gasoline fireball. And we also put some Semtex underwater and got a nice kind of water plume. It's genuinely crazy how much water went up with that one. It was coming down for absolutely ages. Anyway, just a quick little video. I hope that's interesting. Mostly just phone audio with a few embellishments. Yeah, I think this is a really unique sounding session. I've never really heard explosions sound like this before. I'd be really interested to hear people's theories about that whistle squeak sound. Please drop that in the comments below if you have any ideas. And thank you for watching. Cheers.